Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to create an Accordions menu design for website using HTML and CSS. You can use this Accordions menu design to display question answers or FAQ on your website. This Accordions menu design is built using HTML and CSS. We are not using any JavaScript in this web design. Here you can see if I click on the second one, it will collapse the first answer and it will display the content of the second question. If I click on the third one, it will display the content of the third menu and it will hide the other content. So let's start to create this Accordions design step by step. Here in this folder I have one HTML file, one CSS file. Let me open this code file with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. So this is the HTML file where I have added basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file where I have added margin padding, font family and box sizing. And in this HTML file I have added this link tag that will connect the HTML and CSS file. Next we will add the list in the body tag. So in this body, let's create an UL, and in this UL we will add li. So this will be the list. In this li we will add the label for first, and let's add any question. What is accordion? After that we have to use one input tag. Input type will be radio, and let's add a name. It is accordion. And then write ID. ID will be first. And in the first one we will add checked like this. And after that we will add the content. So here let's add a div, and in this div we will add a class name content, and in this one let's add the description in p tag. So here is the text. After adding this, let's come to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. Now you can see this title here, and there is a radio button and this description. Let me close this browser and I will open this browser with the Visual Studio Code extension called Live Server, so that it will refresh the web page automatically whenever we will add any changes in the code file. So you can see the same web page. Now let's come back, and for this body we will add the background color. So write this body in this CSS file, and for this one we will add background. After writing this, again come to the website, and you can see the dark color on the complete web page because we have added the background color in the body. Now let's come back, and for this UL we will add one ID. So let's add the ID accordion. And copy this one, write it here in the CSS file with the hashtag because it is an ID. Here we will add margin 100 pixel and auto. Then we will add width. Width will be 600 pixel. Now you can see it is here. Let's come back and copy this again, and here we will add li, and in this li we will add list style none. Then we will add width, so the width will be 100%, and margin from the bottom, it is 10 pixel. Background will be white, and some padding. Border radius will be 4 pixel. So it looks like this. Let me come back, and here you can see in the li we have added label. So we will add the CSS for this label. Add this one here, then write label. So here we will add some padding. Then display will be flex, align items center, and after that we will add justify content space between. Let me increase the font size. So here we will add the font size of 18 pixel, then font weight 500, cursor will be pointer, and let me change the color. Now you can see the changed color for this label text and this radio button here and this description. After that we have to add an icon over here. So let me come back, and here we will add span, open and closing tag, and in this span we will add this HTML code for the icon. After adding this, you can see an icon here. It is an right arrow icon. So now we have to rotate this one. So let's come back and come to the CSS file. Here we will add the same thing, then we will add a span. Now for this span we have to add the rotation, so we will add the transform rotate 90 degree. After that we will change the font size. Font size will be 22 pixel, and we will change the color also. Now you can see the down arrow. So we have added the first question and answer. Next we have to duplicate it. So let me come back, come to the HTML file, and we will just duplicate this li. Copy this one and paste it again for 2 times, and here we will change the text. It is first, so we will change it to second, and in this ID also we will write second and remove this checked. Now in the third one also we will remove this checked, and here we will add third, ID third. And let me change the text also. So in the second one we will add the another question, how to create. In the next one we will add another question. Now you can see 3 questions and different answer, and the first radio button is checked and another 2 radio buttons are unchecked. If I check the second radio button, you can see the first one get unchecked. At a time only one radio button will be checked and other will be unchecked, like this. So we have to hide all these radio buttons. It should not be visible. So let me come back, and here we will add this one, hashtag accordion label plus input type. So let me write the type equal to radio. Then let's add display none, like this. Now you can see the radio buttons are invisible. Next we have to hide the other contents, which is for the second question and third question, which is unchecked. So let's come back, and here we will add this ID. Then you can see we have added the class name content. So just copy this one, paste it here, and for this content we will add padding of 0 and 10 pixel, line height 26. Then we will add max height. So let me add the max height 0, so it will be hidden. Here we will add overflow hidden, and let me add the transition also. Transition max height 0.5 seconds, like this. After that you can see all the descriptions are hidden, but we have to display the first description. So let's come back, and here we will add this one. After that we will add checked. So if the radio buttons are checked, then we have to display the content. So here we will add plus dot content, and for this content we have to increase the maximum height. We have already added maximum height 0, so it will be hidden, and if we will increase the maximum height, then the content will be visible. So let me add the max height 400 pixel. After adding this, you can see the first content is visible, because in the HTML file we have added the checked in the first one only, so that's why the first one is visible. If I click on the another one, you can see the second one is visible and the other two questions answer is hidden. If I click on the third one, you can see it is visible and the first and second is collapsed. So this Accordions is working fine, and we have created it using HTML and CSS without using any JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.